Now, maybe you made a shape that you really, really like, and you want to make more of them. It's hard to draw that shape over again and get it the same size. Well, if you click on the shape that you want and you hit Control C, it will copy that shape. And then when you hit Control V, like violin, it will paste a new one. And then you have more than one of the same shape. Pretty nifty, huh? Now, say that I want to make kind of a butterfly shape. And I love this heart shape. I want to use it for both wings, but they're in the wrong direction. Well, what you can do is you can actually right-click on your shape. And now I get all this other menu options. When I go to rotate, there's a tool called flip horizontally. And now my shape is going in the direction I want. And I get a really pretty like butterfly shape. So you might be thinking, well, how do you right-click on a Chromebook, Mrs. Leban? Well, there's a couple of ways that you can do that. You can right-click on a shape by selecting it and using the Alt, the Alt button, and clicking on the shape. That will give you the right-click menu. Or on your touchpad, if you use 2 fingers to click, that is also a right-click on a Chromebook.